local Mars time, the 98th Martian day or SOL of the mission for NASA's InSight lander. The spacecraft is surveying its workspace. A camera on its robotic arm is moving and snapping pictures after placing a seismometer on the surface to study Mars quakes. While it finds many, it also detects this. First, an eerie hollow noise, followed by a series of dinks and donks. Then a howl right out of a science fiction film. What could be making these strange sounds? George Haas is the director of the Cydonia Institute, which argues that ancient civilizations existed on Mars.
NASA's research with Mars found overwhelming evidence that Mars was a wet, green planet, very similar to Earth. Had water, breathable air,